Hello everyone, welcome back to another Airsoft video. I know it's been a little while since my last video, but this one was just freshly recorded last weekend. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please like, comment, subscribe down below, and hope you guys enjoy. During the time of this game, the wind started to pick up, so BBs were flying left and right of where the targets were trying to hit. So hitting these targets were kind of hard, but we still tried to manage with what we had. One of the guys on the enemy team threw a grenade right here, but due to a malfunction, it blew up midair, so it didn't land on its intended target, but if it did, I would have been hit. Amidst all of the craziness, I was getting pinned down from the wood line and then from the guy right in front of us, so letting the two teammates behind me take care of him was just going to be my best decision at the time.
To our left. Please watch your fire. Watch your fire, watch your fire. Shots coming in from the woods. Noah! Did I hit your back plate? Never mind. Who's hit? So died close, he's not hit. Oh, shoot, he is. In the black, is he hit? HPA. Are you hit? You're in. You're in. Yeah. Watch on that. Where? Isn't he on our team? Isn't he on our team?
Well, that wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching so much, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.